How's it going, everybody? This is Kaz. So I'm going to show you how to use wa and ga in Japanese. So it's like 私はアメリカ人です。I'm an American. 私がアメリカ人です。I am an American. So what's the difference? Okay? I have two strategies for you. First is to avoid using wa and ga because some people don't use them anyways in Japan, depending on where you live. Okay? The other one is use the rule. And I was thinking about how to distinguish the two this morning, and I think I have come up with a good one. I don't know if it's in the textbook or not. So let's explain the rule. Okay, 私は I am. When you say 私は, it's like speaking of me. Okay? これはこれは speaking of this. So the 私が is more like it was me who that. Like 私がアメリカ人です. It's like it is me who is an American. Okay. I feel like you're being more specific. 私が Okay. Okay, so I wrote the Excel function, which is like this, if you use Excel, okay? And then 私 can be like あなた, I can be you, and then the thing changes, right? So let's do 私は wait 私は楽しいです. Speaking of me, it's fun. Let me use a better adjective. 私は元気です. Okay? 私は元気です. Speaking of me, I'm fine. I'm 元気. Okay? 私 I'm sorry, I meant this. 私は. Okay? In Japanese, we write ha, but we use wa as a sound. 私が means like, it is me who is 元気, fine. Okay? And if I go like the 広島が楽しい. What does this mean? It is Hiroshima that is fun. 広島が楽しいです. If it's like this, 広島は楽しいです. Speaking of Hiroshima, it is fun. So I guess that's the difference. Now, I want to introduce you to the lazy person's approach, which is to just avoid using ga and wa because, especially if you're from countryside or if you're from like West Japan, I'm from Hiroshima, people don't really use not just wa and ga, but they don't even use ni and wo. It's not like they don't use them, but we don't have to use them. Let me go through the examples here. 私は元気ですが You can say 私元気です. Okay. 東京に行きます. Like I go to Tokyo, but you can say 東京行きます. That's fine. 英語を勉強します. I study English. But you don't really need to say 英語. Oh, you can say 英語勉強します. That's fine. Now, you're kind of cheating a little bit. So you want to really kind of over supplement it with your gesture and mannerism and your 雰囲気. Like the way you appear. Okay. Metalinguistic strategies. So if I'm going to say 東京に行きます. I'm going to have a painful face. 東京行きます. Then Japanese people will be kind of paying attention to that metalinguistic part, and then you kind of get by. Okay, breathing like 英語勉強します. Then nobody's paying attention to your use of ga and wa. Okay, so that's how you can get by. You can go 英語. Oh, I guess that's it. Okay, good luck.